Hey there, fellow developers. Welcome to QuickDev, your ultimate destination for mastering the art of software development. And we are thrilled to embark on this coding journey with you. But QuickDev is more than just a channel, it's a community. A place where developers of all levels can connect, share ideas, and inspire one another. Join us for live coding sessions, engaging Q&A sessions, and collaborative projects. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our coding adventures. Thank you for stopping by QuickDev. We are excited to code, create, and innovate together. Whether you're here to sharpen your skills or explore new technologies, you're in the right place. Subscribe, join our community, and let's dive into the exciting world of coding. Welcome to QuickDev.